All right, guys, it's about that time. All the Del Sol people, all the people that wanted to see a Del Sol getting all-wheel drive.
Del Sol all-wheel drive.
Coming at you.
Coming at you.
Took off everything right here already.
Took off everything.
Exhaust.
That's
my Echo, right?
Echo
chamber. All right, exhaust coming down. We're gonna take down the fuel tank.
Already has rear disc.
We already got ready, so you gotta worry about it. These just came off. He's gonna be going with the Alpha 6 Light. It's gonna be a pretty nice car right here. Pretty nice. And of course, guys, you know the first thing: fuel tank down, cut out, brace up, diff mount. You know, we've gotten pretty quick now, right?
Yeah, this is basically the strip down. TK will come back in a few, and we'll show you some more.
Yep, that's how it goes. Steady as she goes. Do the wap wap.
Gonna make a little mess here for a sec, but
Yep, you want me to pop the gas cap?
Yeah.
No pressure. Gas cap. Alright, scratch. Flowing?
yeah,
Nice.
like nobody's business. Alright, we're to the point where we got the fuel tank about to come out.
Okay, hold on. Oh, the straps are off.
Oh, something's oh, I see. I forgot this. A little filler hose.
The filler hose, yeah.
Gotta disconnect.
You want me to get the thing to hold up the tank right here?
No, no. It's not heavy. I took all the gas out.
Okay.
Oh, there it goes. And that's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen.
Tank out. Not gonna use it anymore. So that's how it looks. Kind of looks good.
Yep.
I'm gonna take these straps off.
Whew.
Easy peasy.
Yeah,
Easy
there you
peasy. Cleaning everything so I can mark it out where I'm gonna cut.
Clean it up, my you.
My you? He just got a little in his eye, but it's okay. That's part of being a filmer.
And to get the eye, you spray some more to get rid of that one.
Yeah. Duh. Everybody knows that.
Check it out, guys. Jay's cutting it out now. We put the diff mount up. We're gonna brace it up right here.
And the Del Sol, guys.
There's a lot of
There's all this room back here. I don't know if we're gonna need
probably a little.
because usually a Civic's like way down here. This, whoo,
Yeah, probably some.
lordy,
Yeah, that's a lot of space.
that's a lot of space.
So the cutout, as we said, has begun. Next thing we're gonna brace it up.
Brace it up and then.
All right, guys, check it out now. It's all braced up. One of the pieces that came with the kit. So this is all firm right now. Delta 7 diff mount got bolted up. Billet forks got put on. This is how you put on the billet forks, guys. You take off the bottom of your coilover and you screw on ours. You tell us what coilovers you have, and we more than likely have these in stock, and that's it. More room for the CV joints, the axles to go in, and we're almost there. Almost there. The diff is gonna go right here. Already shaved down right here a little bit. That way we can get a good weld for the upper brace, upper bar. The diff, because you guys know when the torque hits it, the diff flexes up, so this will prevent any flex mode. And yeah, it's coming.
To where? So my goal here is to get these builds done in one day.
Right.
That's my little goal.
What y'all call one day. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Except for the dry shot, that's going to be another day.
Yeah.
But I want to be able to do all this in one day, and I'm doing pretty good.
Yep, you are, dude.
So,
and look, the Del Sol, you don't need to bang it out.
Don't need to
it
bang.
comes curved up.
Don't need to cut it out. So what we did, we cut our normal spot out,
Brace it up.
braced it in. We seam sealed it, painted it all. Delirious, because you're delirious.
Crazy.
Last part. Weld it. Weld it.
Ooh.
Booyah!
That sounds like perfect.
Del Sol's done. Now, me and TK just finished up the last part. We're gonna tack this in. Tack it in over here. Tack it here. Send it to Jit. He's gonna weld it, and then we're gonna weld it to the car. Okay, so another thing, the key important thing is the ears here. You gotta chop off.
Just the way it is right there.
Yep. That way you can have nice clearance for your axle.
Straight axles.
Not even straight. It'll clear, and it won't hit there.
Clear better.
Clear better, exactly.
More better. Clear better.
More better. Listen to the man. He said more better than it's more better.
More fire. So see guys, when you do your all-wheel drive kit, as Jay said, these ears usually come out like this, and you just chop them off like that. And then with your billet forks, clearance ain't a problem.
Right.
Coming down, baby. Mike is putting up the Alpha light. That's a tow kit right there, all billet that comes with the light.
Yes sir, so we are right now just installing the Alpha 6 light trailing arms. We have our lower control arms that are going to be going in as well. The diff mount is in. Right now we're just welding up the top bar, and then we're going to go ahead and weld that into the chassis after we get done welding on the top plate. And from there just finish up the rest of it. A lot of this under here, after we got done, we plated the center, went ahead and welded that all together, and then just put a little fresh paint on there so that it doesn't rust or anything from there. So basically just finish up the back half, and then it'll be good to go for now.
Good to go. Check these out guys. If you guys haven't seen it in person, I know you guys have already seen it, but check it out. More space right here for the wideness of the tires. Adjustability right here. Then with the camera kit, more adjustability. Then the billet lower control arms, more adjustability. So adjustability all around.
All around. So that's what a lot of people don't notice with these, is that on these you can actually thread this heim joint out, so you can push the caster of the wheel back.
Yep.
Which helps give you a better 60-foot.
And for front wheel drive, front wheel drive cars,
yeah,
right?
even front wheel drive cars. We have people with just front wheel drive applications that want to be able to get the wheel pushed back as far as they can. So we have front wheel drive cars that are running these as well, and they just use axle stubbies in the center.
Yep, sweet. All right guys, so you see that the billet fork was already in, and now the lower controller arm is in, and the arm is up. And Jay did a good job. He was trying to knock it out in one day, but it'll be 2 days. 2 days to always drive a car. We're trying to get down to try to do a car a day, try to do. But for the record guys, we don't really do mechanics or install kits all the time. We're a manufacturing company, and that's what we do majority of the time. But with the all drive kits install, we're trying to get it down to a art, like at least a day, right? Come in the morning, leave by evening.
Yes, that's the goal. That's my goal.
Jay's sweating, but
already.
But he's going 5-lug of course, and he's going to be using the. If you go 5-lug, you have to use the Type R calipers, correct? Yeah. Type R calipers and any 5x14 Honda disc pad, Civic disc pad.
Type R.
Type R.
Yeah. Type R everything.
Type R everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or CTR.
Or CTR.
I don't know if RSX and all that'll fit, so.
Maybe, I don't know.
Try that.
Well, it's looking good, guys. What do you think? Look at this. Look at this. Sick. Jay's out of control. We ain't wasting no time, my youth. So, next, it'll be the top bar. And that's it. Check it out. The top bar is fully welded. And of course, we dropped some spray on it. So, the centerpiece here. And then when this part goes up on the car and we weld it, then we're gonna spray that also. But yeah, it's looking good. tacking it up right now, then we're gonna weld.
We did this.
Everything looks good.
Looks good. But I think this is not.
Yeah, that's on our camera kit.
good.
Hopefully,
Yeah, hopefully, yeah. So, okay. We finally got this thing done. As you can see, everything is all welded on there, painted, diff is up. Really minimum banging on this thing here at all, because it has a little more, more clearance for this. Clutch locking plate is locked in here already. We got the axle in, Alpha 6 light, our arms, this, you can see everything, it's all on there. So it's good to go. Change it to a 5 lug. Once you change to a 5 lug, you got to use a Type R caliper. Type R, yep. Type R rotor, so that's all done. As you can see, it's pretty much ready.
Ready to go, ready to make some power.
Yes sir, yes sir. So
And if you guys ever Del Sol, have no fear, it fits like a charm.
it's really nice, it looks really good. Came out good.
It came out really good. Look at that thing.
Came out really good, look at this. So what's cool about this is stainless. If you polish this thing out, and we have on
It would just bling.
Superwoman's car,
Yeah.
this thing will look like chrome. So
So you heard it, guys. And this thing is fully adjustable, as I told you guys earlier.
So
Fully
we're gonna,
adjustable.
so we're gonna give it back. Customer's gonna go ahead and
Drop his motor up in there.
drop the motor, the tranny, and all that. Then get the drive shaft up in here. So it looks like there's a lot of room here for an exhaust to go.
A ton of
Once you
it.
go
It's pretty
here,
big.
here where the drive shaft come up a little bit higher, come down this way like this. Exhaust is like it could go right
side, right?
Yep.
Nice.
Or even on this side, move, you know, cause the,
And it's so wide. You would think the bigger cars have big tunnels like this, but the Del Sol is just like
I know.
different.
See that? Now everybody go out and get a Del Sol.
Yep, everybody get Del Sol, man. Make that thing, well, spike the prices up. So it's a wrap, guys. Like and subscribe. We're gonna keep bringing it at you every chance we get.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. Them wheels are always gripping, don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, we rolling down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico. Racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20 MR2 and SXCRX with the K24. Reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that cam to cord. That's S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton.